Today we're going to be joined by Camp Turf students. Camp Turf stands for Tomorrow's Undergraduates Realizing the Future. This is a 2-week camp that's provided here at OSU through the Horticulture and Landscape Architecture Department for high school, sophomores, and freshmen. This is an opportunity for these young students to come and learn about the career of horticulture as they explore the different greenhouses and laboratories, learning from our professors firsthand. For more information about Camp Turf, you can visit the website. Today's Camp Turf students will be putting together container gardens.
Hi, my name is Alexia.
I'm Lily Jiang.
And I'm Lyrica Ola.
Hi, my name is Eamon.
Hi, my name is Ryder.
Hey, my name is Linnea.
It's Caitlin Pinkerton.
Hi, my name's Maddie Hutcherson.
Hi, I'm Tara Paycheck.
Hi, I'm Tara Olson.
Hi, I'm Everett Darty.
Hi, I'm Landon Thomas.
My name is Michael Wilkerson.
My name is Joshua May.
My name is Ryan Kelly.
Summer Brown.
Hello, I'm Alana.
Hello, I'm Atira.
My name's Caleb Peary.
And my name's Tylen Walls, and today we're going to be talking about container gardening.
There are many reasons why one might want to start container gardening. For one, it's way more portable.
And two, it's easy to maintain.
Better soil, improved drainage.
Container gardens offer a lot of flexibility and allow your gardens to grow many things like fruits and vegetables.
And then also ornamentals.
Sun or shade plants. You can plant annuals, perennials.
You can even grow small trees or a shrub in a large pot.
If you would excuse me. You want a medium to large size pot for a container garden.
And so first thing we're going to do is add potting soil.
It's better than topsoil.
So we'll need to fill it up halfway.
Even this out a little bit. And then we're going to start with a tall plant, often called the thriller.
This is a sunshine privet, and it's a thriller. It's often called a thriller plant because of its height and beauty attracts the eye of the observer.
Like a catchy song, Thriller.
Okay, so you all just learned how to plant the thriller, and I will be using the filler today.
This is a salsa scarlet salvia, and it's a filler,
which will go right around the thriller plant.
It's a plant that will fill in a lot of the space in the container.
It's not going to be as big as the thriller.
And you also want to catch it, so just kind of lean it out.
When you are planting new plants, you want to tease out the roots just a little bit to encourage new growth inside the pot.
Teasing the roots.
And this is going to be the last one.
These are Royal Velvet Supertunias, and they're spiller.
Typically, the spiller plants are sort of like a ground cover, and today we're going to be using creeping thyme. So you need to take your plant out of its pot.
We want them to in between the fillers. Okay.
You put it at the very edge because it spills off because after a point of time it grows.
After we have all of our plants placed, we will want to put soil around all of the plants and have it the same level as they were in the container.
Once you have it planted, make sure to place it in its appropriate environment and water it regularly.
This is a great container plant for full sunlight to add lots of color.
This plant will look good in anywhere that has shade because the foliage will give you a blast of color.
The particular plants in this pot are water-loving plants.
These types of plants grow best in the sun.
These are purple and white annuals.
It's herb. It's herbs. No, herbs.
No,
herbs. You gotta leave the H out. Herbs.
Stop arguing! All that matters is just that they still smell so good.
To make a great container planter, remember,
Don't forget a thriller.
Filler!
And spiller!
We know that a garden is not defined by its size and that many of you may live in townhomes or only have a small patio on which to garden, in which case container gardens make a great option for you. You also might have a rather large garden, but you like to add containers around for a little accent. We know you're all creative people and we'd love to see your favorite plant combinations that you've come up with for some of those great containers. Email us a photo and a list of your favorite plant combinations.
hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.